Hello everyone, this is Shani Sharma. Welcome to my channel Technical Vector. Today we are going to solve a problem known as custom short string. Yeah, basically this is a LeetCode problem which we are going to solve it. It's a medium standard problem which is generally asked in an interview in first round or second round. Okay, so yeah, let's start. Now coming to the problem statement, you are given two strings order and s. All the characters of order are unique and we are stored in some custom order previously. Okay, so basically we have a string order in which all the elements are unique and every element is ordered in a custom order. Okay, now we have to we have to permutate the character of s so that they match the order that order was sorted. Basically this means that we have to print we have to return any permutation of a character s which matches the order which is specified in the order string. Okay, more specifically if a character x occur before character y in order, then we x should occur before y in the permitted string as well. Okay, so by this we can clearly see a picture if x is coming before y, then according to order, then we in string s as well, x should come before y. Okay, and at the end we have to return any permutation of s which satisfy this property. Okay, so basically the test case is like here we can see that the order is cba and s is abcd. So the output we have to print is cba and d. We can print dcba as well, it doesn't matter, but we have to specify be sure c occur before b and b occur before a. Okay, so that was like the understanding of this problem. We can go through explanation as well. We can see that A, B, C appear in order, so that the order of A, B, and C should be C, B, A, and A. Okay, since it doesn't appear in order, it can be put in at any position. So the valid outputs will be like D, C, B, A, C, D, B, A, C, B, D, A. Anything will be fine for this. Okay. Now coming to approach, we can clearly see that by the test case, we have two strings. Like one is like order and other one is s, and we have to print any permutation of s which satisfy the order order string. Okay, we are going to calculate the frequency of each element of s and store it in an array, and with that help we can make sure every element with each frequency let's suppose in s there will be 2x and 1y. So we have to make sure both 2x should lie first after y if in order string x is lying before y. Okay, so due to which we are going to calculate a frequency array. Now, after calculating the frequency array, we are going to traverse over order array and check that that element exists in S or not. If it exists, then we are going to add that element in S till its frequency gets 0. Okay. So if there are 2x and 1y, then we are going to add 2x to answer, and then after that we are going to add it y. Okay, so by this we are making sure the order is intact. Now after that we are going to traverse over s. Let's suppose there is one element z which is not present in order string. So we are going to by traversing over s, and when we are going to check if any element is left or not. If any element is left, then we are simply going to add it to the answer. And how we are going to make sure element is left or not? By by the help of that frequency array. If the frequency is non-zero, then we are going to add it. If frequency is zero, then we are not going to add it. Okay, hopefully by this you have a clear picture what we are going to do. Go to the problem statement over LeetCode, and let's solve it and check is it solving our issue or not, our problem or not. Yeah, first what we are thinking, like we have to create a frequency array. So vector char word frequency, size will be like 256, and let's initialize with 0. Okay, now we are going to traverse over s, I is equal to 0, I less than s dot size, I plus plus, and word frequency at the rate s at I plus plus. Since we have initialized every index with 0, we can say we can easily do that. We can increment it like plus plus will work. Now we have got all the frequency element, like all the elements frequency present in s, and which is stored in word frequency array. Now we are going to traverse over order for int I is equal to 0, I less than order dot size, I plus plus, order dot size I plus plus, and now we are going to int j is equal to 0, j less than word frequency at the rate order at I j plus plus. So by this, like we are making sure, like if still one element is present, then j will run one time. If there is two frequency, then it j will run two time. And we are going to take an string answer, initialize with an empty string, and answer plus is equal to order at I. And at the end, like once like this loop gets terminated, we are going to re-initialize order frequency, word frequency at order at I with 0. So that by this, like we are making sure, like all the element, like all the characters are present in s, like of that what that I should be should be add before any next element. Now like let's suppose, like if any element is not present in order string, then we have to add that as well, no? Like so we now we are going to traverse over I is s, I less than s dot size, plus plus, and we will check like if word frequency at the rate order at I is greater than 0, we will add it. Answer plus we will do answer plus is equal to s at I, and decrease its frequency. Even it is not required, but yeah, like for a good coding practice, like we are going to do it. Frequency the rate s at I, even here it will be s, yeah, minus minus. Okay, and at the end we are going to return answer. Yeah, so yeah, let's summarize it. Like we have initialized an order frequency array of 256 bit, and like initialize everything with 0, every index with 0, 256 characters with 0. Now we have initialized an answer array with an empty string which will store the final answer, or like any permutation of s. And now we are going to calculate that the frequency of each element present in s, and which is going to be stored in like word frequency array which we have defined previously. Now we are going to traverse over the order, and like we are checking like if it is present in order frequency array. Basically, if it is present in s, we are going to add that character to answer till its frequency gets 0. Okay. And now after that, like if any element is not present in order, then we can add at any place. So at the end we are going to add those things to answer, and finally we are returning that. So let's run it. Yeah, there is some compile error. Okay, what frequency at line number? I think there is some typo. Let me check. Free. Okay, yeah. Frequency. Let's run it again. Yeah, still. I think there is some. Let's. Yeah, it's running. So let's submit it. Yeah, we can clearly see that like bits 99.76 solutions. So yeah, yeah, it's a like order of order of n plus order of m solution. Let's suppose if any element doesn't lie in order array, then we are traversing like order string and then s as well. So the type quantity will be order of order string, order size, and like and s. So n plus m will be like the time quantity, and space quantity will be like constant, like which is order of 256, or like order of even less than that, like order of 26 into 2, which will be like 52. Correct. Yeah. Basically I'm considering both like capital and small characters. Yeah. Yeah, I have copied that code in like this link, so you can easily go through that. And like if you face any issue, please comment here so that like I can try to help you in solving that solution like problem. The time quantity will be order of n plus m, which we already discussed, where n is the size of string and m is the size of order. And space quantity will be order 256, which can be either decreased to order of 52 or order of 26, depends on the questions. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.